Join me as I unbox and review the Louis Vuitton Multicolore Boite Pharmacie to see if it's really worth the hype. The Louis Vuitton Multicolore Boite Pharmacie is a luxury item that has caught my attention with its unique design and significance in the luxury market. The brand is known for its high-quality products, and I'm excited to see if this item lives up to its reputation. When it comes to purchasing luxury items, there are always concerns about authenticity. Is this item really worth the hefty price tag? Will it hold its value over time? These are questions that we all ask ourselves when considering a luxury purchase. Another concern is practicality. Will I actually use this item, or will it just sit on a shelf collecting dust? There's also the question of status. Will owning this item make me feel like I've achieved a certain level of success? These are all important considerations when deciding whether or not to splurge on a luxury item. And let's be real, there's also the fear of buyer's remorse. What if I spend all this money and end up regretting it? These are all very valid concerns that we need to think about when it comes to luxury purchases. The Boite Pharmacie is a unique and functional item that combines art and luxury. The design is stunning, with colorful shapes and patterns that really make it stand out. The materials are top-notch with high-quality leather and metal accents. But what really sets it apart is its functionality. This is more than just a decorative piece. It's actually a fully functional box that can be used to store small items. When you compare it to similar products on the market, the Boite Pharmacie really stands out in terms of both design and functionality. The attention to detail is incredible, from the subtle logo on the front to the perfectly crafted hinges. It's clear that a lot of thought and effort went into designing this item. One thing that I think is worth noting is that the Boite Pharmacie is not just a luxury item, it's also a piece of art. It's a statement piece that can really add something to a room. When I first unwrapped the Boite Pharmacie, I was struck by its beauty. The colors are even more vibrant in person, and the quality of the materials is exceptional. The first thing I noticed was the weight of it. It's definitely a solid piece. As I opened it up and started exploring the different compartments, I was impressed by the attention to detail. There are so many little touches that really make this item special, from the perfectly lined interior to the subtle logo on the front. One thing that really surprised me was how functional it is. I was expecting it to be more of a decorative piece, but it's actually really useful. The compartments are the perfect size for storing small items like jewelry or makeup, and the lid opens and closes smoothly. As I continued to explore the Boite Pharmacie, I was struck by the level of craftsmanship that went into creating it. Every detail is perfectly thought out, from the design to the materials to the functionality. It's clear that the designers at Louis Vuitton are masters of their craft. One thing that I think is worth noting is that the Boite Pharmacie is not just a piece for luxury collectors. It's also a great option for anyone who wants a unique and functional item that will add something to their daily life. So is the Louis Vuitton Multicolore Boite Pharmacie worth it? In my opinion, yes. While it's definitely an investment, I think it's worth every penny. The design is stunning, the materials are top-notch, and the functionality is exceptional. Whether you're a luxury collector or just someone who wants a unique and functional item, I think the Boite Pharmacie is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you're looking for more reviews of luxury items, be sure to check out my other videos.